one, kaya bumili uli ako. And also, I buy this Vaseline Stick Balm. And naalala ko, this is for face and body. So, naalala ko yung Aquaphor na yung mga beauty blogger na mga nagme-makeup like 50 plus to 60 plus na nagme-makeup na mga older woman. And then, before they apply their foundation, naglalagay sila ng balm sa face. And then, that is the Aquaphor. But this is the Vaseline, everyone. So, I will try this Vaseline balm for applying because yung una na, yung Womi na face balm, ang ganda din ng result, talagang it's look talaga na talagang bata tingnan yung face mo after I do that makeup. So I found this Vaseline Stick Balm. Pag maganda to, I will buy one more because I want to look more younger, no? At napaka-glowy, napaka-healthy talaga, na talagang yung skin mo talaga ang ganda tingnan. It's really help talaga to glow your beauty talaga when you applying the foundation, the makeup, ang ganda talaga. If you apply, lalo na pag nasa 50 plus ka na, and then you're doing makeup, apply a balm on your face balm before you apply anything, before you apply your foundation like that. And also, I buy this everyone because I will going to Hanabi and I want